Something bad is just around the corner. 15 years of the Peter Shit Show. They'll come out of nowhere to surprise us all. 15 years of the Peter Shit Show, and we'll tune in religiously to listen to him. He'll sell us Indeed and life insurance, and we all know he'll be predicting something shitty, a Great Depression or maybe a pandemic. Oh, more shit. Tune in live tonight. More shit, and we'll have a fun time. And you'll want to be prepared. You'll want to own some gold if you want to come out of the shit alive.